this tutorial we want to see it how to create how to convert the features and polygon into the raster image, and what is the importance of the raster image. So previously we can focus on the how to create a longitudinal profile. um, for the longitudinal profile, you want to use your dim file, and then you will be your dim file will be uploaded from this in the map analysis tool, and the elevation profile you click it, and then it will be shown like a ground this reality. And then you want to go to the this elevation profile, 3D elevation profile, and you want to click if you are needing the meters or kilometer elevation, so you want to click it and this will be created. So you want to also change the direction from this A to Z or Z to A by clicking this reversal tool. And you can also change your color and also export into the JPEG and CSV file. So last video we can do this feature and do this process in ArcGIS Pro. In this tutorial we want to go how to convert polygon to the raster. Why we convert the polygon to the raster? So raster data it consists of a grid cell. So it give a best information like elevation, temperature, or satellite imagery. It transfer the data into the vector format. Vector means like it give the direction of like land use, geological event, and elevation zone. So in this vector polygon, it's easier to analysis in editing. So that's why we can convert like this is the polygon, and we convert into the raster. So by clicking your analysis, you can go to the more tool. In the more tool you can search polygon to the raster, and input will be your VNG. VNG means like your shapefile polygon. And then you will be cell size will be 10, and the environment where you study your location, or where you study your coordinate system, you can put it. And the this processing event, you can do the study area VNG, and then run it. So whenever you run it, so it will be show like this kind of raster image of your study profile. So this is very important for the image or geological or any etc even for processing in ArcGIS Pro. So another is the feature into the raster convergence. In the features, we also go to the feature to the raster analysis tool. In this feature we give it the data of the distant like I give the different wildfire in our study area. So you can give the different year of the wildfire in your study area, so it will be give a raster image. So your data in the feature format of the wildfire in your this study area, so you can give the your data, and it will be converted into the raster image. So this all feature, when you give this from 2009 to 2022 feature type of the wildfire, so it will be give you this raster image. And we also create of this polygon our study area raster image. So when we process it, so we will go to the reclassify tool. In reclassify tool, it gives us to simplify data, remove the unwanted data, and it easy to classification scheme. So you can easily say that in this photograph these area are really prone to the wildfire area, or very it's a very damaging part of the wildfire in our study area. So you can easily classify it in by the reclassification tool. So these are the data. In environment, you give the your study area, your coordinate system, and this is your cell in export and everything else. In the raster calculation, we give the all of the data, and it will be algebraic type. It will be add every your data, and when you run it, so it will be add the every data of your like from the previous 2009 to 2022 wildfire record. So it will be added and give you a raster format. So this is more good like interpretation which area is more affected in the future for the future perspective. And the final it's a final output of the raster image of the our study in a wildfire. So this yellow means no affected in the whenever the color is increasing, like purple is more, red is more, and blue is more and more. So I think this area are very wildfire affected area, and future it will be also affected. So we can also take the average by go to symbology. So you can also take by the symbology tool, you can easily interpret it which one is the dense red area, so it will be give you the affection of the wildfire area. So you can also give the reason why the wildfire. So you can upload your slope depth elevation model. So whenever the slope are like for so wherever there is increase in slope, so the wildfire easily faster spreading. So you can see it in this area, this slope is very high, so it will be very high for the for the wildfire and erosion in inside. So it's also useful for different field like mapping, like urban planning, agriculture, and erosion studies. Now the last one will be the land use and land cover. What will be the land use will be the where the human land, where the human occupy the land, and the land cover is the natural land. So you can also do it by uploading your shape file of the LULC and your study area, and uh, by by editing of the sustainable class in ArcGIS Pro, and by adding a subtraction of your data. So uh, you can finally interpret your this data. For example, 0 is non sustainable effect, or 4 is very high. So by clicking this is the final product of our area. So you can see easily see the red area where you cannot go to this place because it's very prone to the wildfire and other natural disaster, and the green one is very less prone. So you can finally create this kind of map in ArcGIS Pro by uploading various data like dem file, like your shape file of the different wildfire in different years. So all type will be the polygon. In the feature type it will be converted into the raster, and you can give the product of this one. So you okay. So for example, if I go to my ArcGIS Pro, so this will be my raster which I created the raster image. And when I click it, so this will be my, like for example, classification tool which show me the where is the wildfire area, and where is the more affected and more dangerous in the future. And then when I upload in my slope data, so it will be give my results where the slope data shows the very high wildfire damage area and future prediction also. And this one is the land used by the humans and land used by the cover, and this is our this study area. So this final product will be this one. So you can generate this kind of map by doing all of the feature into the raster image and processing in the ArcGIS Pro. So we will be meet in the next video with another informatic tools. So thank you for watching.